Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Simply New England. This week's episode is going to be a follow-up to the video I posted about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. This was the contest I did. We're doing a drive for 1,000 subscribers. Got a number of entries. I think the subscriber numbers went up by about 30. We had some people that subscribed but didn't enter the contest. I wish you had. But that also makes it so there's only going to be so many of you in this contest because some people didn't follow the instructions. So what I'm going to do now, just to keep everything on the up and up, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I'm going to do this. So the first thing here is you see that I'm using this YouTube random comment picker. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to go into my YouTube studio. Here is the video free giveaway. I'm going to go here first. I'm going to do a get shareable link. It's now copied to the clipboard. We're going to go back into the picker. I'm going to take that link. There it is. I'm going to paste it in there. We're going to filter any duplicate users in case someone did hashtag subscribe more than once. And then we're going to filter the comments based on what I asked you guys to do, which is hashtag subscribe. At that point, what I'm doing now is I'm going to click Get Your Comments so we know exactly how many people entered. And as of right now, we have got 21 unique comments that say hashtag subscribe. So guys, right now you have a 1 in 21 chance of winning. Those are pretty good odds. So let's just not take too much time on here. What we'll do next is we're going to do the start raffle and pick a random winner. But before I do that, I just want to let you guys know what you'll need to do is, if I call your name, when this thing picks this, you're going to email me at simplynewenglandvids@gmail.com. Let me leave that up there for a second. So if you do win, you can come back, write this down, you'll email me. Just say, hey, I'm the winner. Give me your screen name that pops up. And then from there, I'll get back to you and ask you for your mailing address, and then of course I will send you out the gift or the winning prize, which is the 2 winch stoppers in blue color, red color, something like that. I'll send those out to you, of course, free shipping. It's all on me. You win. It shouldn't cost you anything. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to close this now, and let's go ahead and hit this start button. Here we go. And the winner is Robert Mangrum. All right, Robert. So all you need to do now is just go ahead and email me at that email that I just showed you. Send me your mailing address, and within a couple days, I will send out your winnings, and that'll be it. And guys, the other thing too is that's going on lately. I have, let me see if I can find one. This is not going to look too great because it's a small, it's big, and the new merch has come in. It's really crappy to be able to see it here, but Simply New England Off-Road. You can get the logo big on the front like this or on the back. You can get a small logo on the side here, and then the bigger one on the back. I also have some Jeep stuff I've done, a couple other different things. So definitely, if you're interested in any of the merch, click on the link in this video description, and you can get in there and just see what I have. Even if you just want to browse, you're not interested in purchasing anything, definitely would love to see some clicks in there just to know that people are looking. So that's it, guys. Again, the YouTube random comment picker, if anybody's watching this and wants to do this in the future on their video, it's free. It works great. It keeps everything on the up and up. And then if you learn how to use like OBS, which is what I'm using, you end up getting the video up here and then everything down below. And then I record my voice. And yeah, it's that easy. So that's it, guys. Robert Mangrum. Definitely reach out to me, and I'll send you out your winnings. So thank you guys for following the channel. I appreciate it. Keep subscribing. I'm going to do more giveaways. I'm going to be doing some t-shirt giveaways here soon. I have some other things in mind, and yeah, that's where we're at right now. So I appreciate you tuning in. Aaron here, Simply New England. Peace out.